Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another AutoCAD video. As in the previous video we have already discussed about mirror command, how can we use it, and now in today's video we are going to execute a very important command. I think when we will make a house plan, this will be the command which will be used mostly in our house plan. This is offset command, and first of all we will tell you its uses and its importance, and then we are going to execute this command. For example, this is a line, as you can see here, as I have already drawn a line here. And suppose that this is a median of a road, and you are asked to draw a line to create actually a lane of a road from here to here, and from the median to right side, and also from the median to left side. So first option is to draw randomly, just clicking on that and draw. First of all, measure distance and draw a simple line here at 50 feet, and from here to here also draw a random line here at 50 feet measuring distance. Now the second most beautiful option you have is to offset this line from here to the right side 50 feet, and from the central median to here at the left feet 50 feet. So it is an actually command of a modify. As you can see here, there is an option of offset. You will just click and you will just click here, and now what he is asking to through erase layer. There are two kind of option. I will say that you will actually go to type command option and just click an O and enter. If you will click one time at enter, this kind of tab will appear. And if you wanted to draw a simple offset, you should have double click on your enter button or space button. I will click first time, and now I'm going to click press enter second time. If I press second time on my enter button, as you can see that there will be two options, exit and undo. And what he is asking to select an object to offset. I just want this median for offset object. This is my offset object, and now you can, if you drag your mouse like this, as you can see, if you drag your mouse like this, it will be creating an offset. For example, now as I have already specified, my limits very large, so I am going to say that 3000 feet, entering my distance of offset, and now again I am going to press enter. And now you can see that my my line has been actually drawn to a specific distance of 3000 feet. It is actually offset command. Now we can also do this, select this line and again go here, and you can also specify distance here 3000 feet and just press enter. In this way you can execute your offset command. Now we are going to explore some kind of other options, like again go to O, double enter, O, just click one time enter. And now what he is asking, that through erase layer. And now if I press on erase source subject after offsetting, now he is asking to erase source subject after offsetting. I will click on yes. Now if I give the here, as you can see, the option of through, now I will give the specific distance here. For example, I will say that 5000 feet, and pressing on enter. Now he is asking to specify my object. I am selecting the object, and if I click here, you can see that my object has been deleted because I have activated erase command from here, as you can see. So I'm just pressing exit. So I have exited my command. Now again, if I click O, enter one time, and if you will specify your length here, for example, I am going to say my length here. Don't press the enter two times. First time press enter and specify length. For example, I am going to say specify distance. I'm going to specify my distance as 1000 feet. I'm just pressing enter. Now he is asking to offset your object. For example, I am just clicking on that object, and now if you want to create multiple objects, you will just click on this multiple here at the bottom, and just keep clicking, and your objects will be drawn and drawn, as you can see here. But I have erased my base object, and if you press enter, my base object, source object, will be deleted like that, as you can see in this way. So I am again going with offset. In this way you can do your operation of multiple offsets. Again going with O and pressing enter, and I'm going to erase. I'm going to say no. Now I am going to specify my distance as 1000 feet and clicking on enter. And if I select this subject, click this one, as you can see that my source subject is here and it will not be deleted. So in this way you can use different kind of things in offset command. For example, when you are making a 5mm plan or a house plan, when you draw a rectangle like this, for example, I am just going to execute it here. For example, you are going to draw your boundary of your house, a rectangle like this. And here the second option is that if you wanted to draw a wall here inside this, the one option is that you draw a line randomly and uh, keep measuring distance from every side and draw a line randomly. Now the second option and more durable option is offset. Just press this and O, double click, and if I go inside like 1000 feet, I will just press enter. Oh, I have not selected my 1000 feet again. I am going to say that I will click here, O, enter, and this coming is 1000. I didn't have press enter at that time. And whenever you want, so AutoCAD will giving an option by default, you should have pressed enter again. So I'm just going to press enter again, and now if I going to leave it here like that, it will be executed, as you can see. So in this way in AutoCAD you can make walls and different kind of things by using offset command. So in today's video we have learned the use of offset command and we have executed this command as well. So thank you for today's video.